Oh man, if there is one thing I love to hate, it's vertical lift hills. Here we go. I love them, but I hate them. They hate me too, guys, so don't worry. It's a mutual feeling here. Oh crap. We are officially vertical. Oh, this is hurting my brain, and that's the last thing I need. But then you get to the top, and the rest of it is full of awesome. Here we go! No! Whee! Oh, man! Oh! Woo! That is a funky curve! Oh, yeah! Woo! And here we go! Ready? Woo! Into the tunnel! And oh! Slow inversion! And hello, Brake Run, how are you? I'm okay, Rob, how are you? Doing very well here at Six Flags over Georgia. That's great to hear. All right, here goes, guys. Anticipation.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Oh yeah. Love the loopy-loops. Woo! Oh man. And a little bit of air time. Here we go. Second loop-de-loop. Oh, come on, that counts. That's loop-de-loop. Oh! Whee! All right, here we go. Third loop-de-loop. Oh! Woo! And the tunnel. Woo! All right, guys, comment below if you think this ride has 2 loops or 3 loops. Some say 2, some say 3. All right, here we go, cresting the lift. Can you stand it? All right, here we go. All right, ready, everybody? Here we go, straight down into the loop-de-loop.